isang tingin mo pa lang na may A320 or A220 or A320 series, you know they're serious. So what I meant, Mr. President, is baka pwede niyong gayahin. Total, you have the best minds also of the AFP, whether in your board uh, or as your graduates, no? Gayahin niyo rin ng konti yung yung AFP modernization na parang may phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, di ba? Tapos, for example, if you make it 5-year per phase, pero halimbawa, na ibigay sa inyo yung 2, 3 years. So, let's say you have certain equipment or certain aircraft, pero by some miracle, nag-donate sa atin yung ibang bansa. Eh di, imbis na 5-year mo, nung phase 2 ka na on the 3rd year. That's what I meant na hindi lang sa kwento, pero sa vision. Diba? So I know you said the vision in a way that's very professional, pero in the TikTok, Facebook world, whatever you can watch in 30 seconds to 1 minute, yun ang maiintindihan ng lahat eh. Di ba? So if you have more than 100 universities wanting funding, you have TESDA wanting funding, di ba? You have PMA wanting and needing funding, di ba? Yung makapagbigay ng ano ba magiging itsura pag naging National Aviation Academy to, di ba? And yun nga, I'm bullish nga because of all of these developments sa industry, no? One question I'll ask after the next speaker or after matapos, Doc, given the present scholarships and given the demand, I don't know kung pati sa maintenance or kung sa piloto lang, no? Will the school have some kind of, di ba sa PMA, it's free, pero if you resign to join a foreign airlines, you have to pay for your education, di ba? So will the National Academy of, di ba, have something like that? So that on one hand, hindi na naman natin pipigilan yung taong mangarap ng mas mataas na sweldo at career internationally. But on the other hand, yung ibabayad niya can fund more students hindi sa budget nyo. So you can answer that now or later on. I think kasi baka ano lang tayo eh, one hearing and one TWG and then a second hearing, then I think we'll iron everything out sa TWG. But on the second hearing when we approve this, tingin ko magandang may 1-2 minute video tayo na, and we can help with kung ano ang ano tingin nating itsura nung itatayo natin. Thank you again, Sached. Who wants to go next? Yes, sir.